Hello guys, if you're an affiliate marketer or a beginner who wants to make money online using affiliate marketing, then this entire tutorial series is going to be a major eye-opener for you, and I'm going to reveal the top secret tool that is going to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. Now, if you're familiar with the online space, you must have heard many online entrepreneurs, online business owners, and marketers talking about building a large responsive email list. Yes, email list is the most important digital asset that you're going to build, because now when it comes to social media like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all these are rented properties where you're going to have your own following on their platforms. Any changes to their algorithm and any ban on your account is going to wipe out all your followers on these platforms. But email list is the only asset that is going to be owned by you for the long term. And also take this point in your head. Even if an email autoresponder is going to ban you from sending emails on their platform, you can always definitely take the backup and move on to another email autoresponder platform. But when it comes to social media, you can't do that. You can't take your followers from one medium to another medium. Can you do that? No. That's why building a large responsive email list should be your top priority. But here is a catch. Building a large responsive email list is being told by all online business owners, entrepreneurs, and marketers. But the one secret thing that you need to do here is building a buyer's email list. Now, in this tutorial series, I'm going to discuss about how to build a buyer's email list using solo ads. Now, in the online space, most of you have heard about building email list, but no one talks about what to be built in that email list, which matters. It's the buyer's email list. Now, if you're confused about this, let me clearly explain you in this particular video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what is a buyer's email list and the problem with affiliate marketing, and introducing the secret tool that I'm going to show you in the upcoming video, and fourth, the setup for the secret tool that I'm going to discuss in the upcoming videos. So under the setup for the secret tool, we are going to discuss about funnel creation, how to track your funnel leads, affiliate offers, tracking your sales, and how to integrate with your email autoresponder, and how to track your email open rates, and how to create a traffic source, and also create your own tracking link to be given to your solo ad vendor. What is a buyer's email list? Now, as I said earlier, the most important asset that you're going to own digitally is going to be your email list. Now, if you have watched so many videos on YouTube and social media platforms, most of them would talk about how to build a large responsive list. But no one talks about how to build a large buyer's email list. Whenever you promote your affiliate offers and whenever someone buys through your affiliate links, you're going to get paid your commission. But you're not going to know who has exactly bought from your email list, and the platform which you're going to sign in and get the affiliate links is not going to give you the email list of the person who has purchased from you. Remember that. So when it comes to affiliate marketing using solo ads, it is of paramount importance that you're going to build your buyer's email list. A buyer is a person who has taken out his credit card and or PayPal account, whatever it is, and has purchased the offer which you have promoted to him. And he's not like any other person in the raw list or the openers or the other segments. Now, you would have watched many videos where they tell you to segment your email autoresponder based on the openers, clickers, and 30-day engage, 60-day engage. But all these doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer and you want to build your large responsive buyer's email list, because that is going to be the one which will scale your business. Once you get your buyer's email list added onto your autoresponder, you can promote more and more offers to them, and a buyer will always come again and buy from you because already built the know, like, trust factor. And one more important note is that most of the sales, almost 80 to 90% of the sales is going to come from these buyers only. There is definitely an option. You can further segment them to low ticket buyers, mid-ticket buyers, and high-ticket buyers. Low-ticket are the ones like less than $20, and mid-ticket is the one that's less than $1,000, and high-ticket buyers are the ones which are more than thousands of dollars. So all these segmentations of buyers can be done through a third-party secret tracking tool, which I will be discussing in the next video. I'll also be discussing about the setup process of this tool. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. Now, what is the problem with affiliate marketing? Now, if you're an affiliate marketer, you understand that you are the middleman or the third party where you're going to connect the vendor with the buyers. So you're acting as a middleman. So you're going to promote the affiliate offers on your email list. So ultimately, if any one of them buys from your email list, then they are going to be called as the buyers. Now, the real problem is no platform, either it's going to be ClickBank or Digistore or Warrior Plus or JVZoo, any platform you're going to sign in and get the affiliate links and start promoting to your email list is not going to give you the person. Even if you get sales from these platforms, they are not going to give you the email address of the person who has bought from your email list. So that is why as an affiliate marketer, we are at a disadvantage, because unless you know the person who has bought from your email list, you are not going to scale your affiliate marketing business. And even if you approach to the product owners who are selling on this Digistore, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, they're not going to give the buyer's email list because it's precious for them. They're going to sell more offers to those buyers and make more money out of them. So understand, guys, if you're a pure affiliate marketer and want to make money substantially in the long term and scale your business, then you need to have this secret tool which is going to be helpful, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing using solo ads. So if you're someone who's eager to know about the secret tracking tool that I'm going to show you in the next video, then you can always check out the link in the first comment section. And in the next video, I'm going to discuss about introduce you to the secret tool, which is going to be very useful in order to build a buyer's email list, and also how to sign up for the tool, and also what role does this secret tool play in our affiliate marketing business in order to increase our sales. And in the last and final video, I'm going to discuss about how to set up the secret tracking tool with all the systems in place. And I'm going to show you step by step so that you can watch and take action on that. So with that being said, let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye.